In 2025, productivity isn't about using more tools. It's about finding the right system to organize your projects, ideas, and team knowledge. Three of the most popular tools leading the way are ClickUp, Notion, and Obsidian. All three are powerful, but they focus on different goals. For example, ClickUp is team and project execution, while Notion on the other hand is documentation and collaboration, and Obsidian is personal thinking and long-term knowledge building. Now, let's break down their strengths, weaknesses, and which one is best for you and your company in 2025 and beyond. By the way, I've left links in the description and pinned comment so you can try out ClickUp or Notion for completely free. We'll kick things off by looking at ClickUp. Now, what is ClickUp? ClickUp is an all-in-one project and team management platform designed for businesses that want structure, accountability, and automation. With ClickUp, you can manage projects using lists and Gantt charts, set goals and OKRs, automate recurring tasks, assign team members and track workloads, collaborate using docs, comments, and dashboards. It's like having Asana plus Notion plus Trello and also Google Docs all under one roof. This is perfect for scaling teams and enterprises that need visibility across multiple projects. While on the other hand, what is Notion? Notion is a flexible workspace that combines docs, databases, and project tracking in one minimalist interface. You can build company wikis, dashboards, and project boards, write documentation and SOPs, embed videos, charts, and code snippets, collaborate in real time with your team, use Notion AI for writing and summarizing content. Think of Notion as a digital headquarters where your team can think, plan, and organize knowledge in one creative system. And when it comes on to Obsidian, what is Obsidian? Obsidian is a personal knowledge management app built for local note linking. It's not a team tool, it's for individual creators, writers, developers, and thinkers who want to build a second brain. With Obsidian, you can take notes and link them together like a knowledge graph, organize ideas into connected concepts like Wikipedia for your brain, work offline and own all your data, use plugins and themes to customize everything. You can sync across devices using Obsidian Sync. It's perfect for deep thinking, research, and building a long-term personal knowledge base. Now, let's talk about them via use cases. For example, when it comes onto ClickUp. ClickUp is great for project tracking and team accountability, where deadlines, deliverables, and dashboards matter most. While Notion, on the other hand, I would say it is great for building systems and documentation like wikis, also client portals or project databases. And Obsidian is best for personal reflection, research, and content creation where you connect ideas over time. So if you're managing a company or team, this is where I would say go with ClickUp. If you're managing knowledge or creative projects, I would say go with Notion. And if you're building a personal knowledge vault, Obsidian is best. And if we were to talk about collaboration and scalability, with ClickUp, it scales the best for large teams. It includes user permissions, workload tracking, and reporting, while Notion, on the other hand, is better for smaller teams or departments that want flexibility or structure, and Obsidian is great for single player. There's no real-time collaboration, but you can sync notes privately across devices. If you're managing 5 to 5,000 people, I would say go with ClickUp. If you're collaborating in a creative startup, it will be best you go with Notion. And if you're organizing your own knowledge, Obsidian is perfect. Now, if we were to talk about AI and automation, in 2025 and beyond, ClickUp Brain and also Notion AI lead the way. ClickUp Brain basically automates workflows, summarizes updates, and answers questions about your workspace, while Notion AI, on the other hand, writes meeting notes, summarizes docs, and generates content ideas. Obsidian relies on community-built AI plugins, so power users can integrate ChatGPT and local elements If you want automated task management, then you should go with ClickUp. If you want AI writing and documentation, you should go with Notion. And if you want custom offline AI, you can go with Obsidian and its plugins. And if we were to break down the pricing of all three platforms, with ClickUp you can use their free forever plan, and again I've left a link in the description, and you can get started on their monthly plan for as low as $10, and it can go up to $19. With Notion you can also get started on their monthly plan for completely free, and it starts at $12 and go up to $24. With Obsidian you can also use it for free, as you can see right here, and their monthly plan begins at $5 and can go up to $10. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.